Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a GIF or GIF in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add your GIF file or GIF file on. Scroll down to where you want to add your GIF on and click on images from the site. Select upload. Locate your photo on your computer. This is my GIF file. Double click it and it will be uploaded to your Google site. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. It will be uploaded to your Google site. You can crop the image, you can uncrop the image, you can insert a link to your GIF, you can duplicate it, you can remove it like that. You can also replace it, give it an alternative text or add caption. After that, don't forget to save your work to see your work online. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add a GIF in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.